ko na. So, ilang yun na, decision. So, procedure for the traceability system and regular product flow monitoring. So, nagisgutaan niyo o product monitoring ang flow kung asa nakadoon niyo ang product. So, this part outlines the procedure for ensuring traceability and product flow monitoring. So, mechanism for tracking certified organic products. Ang uban, nag-coding system. Nagbutang og batch, ano na? Batch number
date
sa product o
date
ana.
production sa production.
Expiry. So, ang yan farm producer's code.
Inventory or sa
Inventory. So, consolidation process, recording products by farm or producer's code. Then, separation requirement for certified and non-certified products. So, dapat separate consolidation area, separate ang recording.
sa katuning knife.
So, wala gingingon dinahang nga, dapat certified na gini yung hagi
Products.
na
Baligyan.
product. Ang inyo lang, naamoy mga protocol, naamoy separation na requirement para sa certified o non-certified products.
Nagahirap na itong mga workers.
Procedure for reporting to BAPS. So this part, ang regular reporting to BAPS, certified farmer members information, muna siya, no? Ang inyong i-report. Then timely reporting of changes related to certified members and operations within 20 working days after any change. Within 20 days, working days, kung na mga changes. Use of prescribed template for submission. So, nana sila yung template nga report, kanang template para sa report. So, procedure for the info dissemination to all stakeholders for changes affecting the PGS group. This outlines the procedure for informing stakeholders about changes affecting the group. So, type of changes. For example, kaning manual of operation, internal standards, natin mga changes. Committee members. So, muna siya ato mga need na i-disseminate. So, identification of affected stakeholders. Timeline and mode of notification to farmer members and other stakeholders. Procedure for the conduct of regular assembly. Sa regular assembly, ano siya? This part outlines the procedure for conducting the regular assembly.
Yes, yes.
Schedule sa, dapat naka-schedule yung regular, saan ang regular? No? Regular assembly.